Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML programming. In the previous video, we have discussed about some text formattings in HTML, and in this video, we will learn about the hyperlinks in HTML. So let's get started. So, in many websites, there will be hyperlinks. The best example is the Wikipedia. All the things in blue color are the hyperlinks. So what does this hyperlinks do? Here, when I click on any of these which are in blue color, let's say I'll click on World Wide Web. So, it opened a new Wikipedia page about the World Wide Web. That means it is redirecting to the another page specified. Sometimes these hyperlinks may not be in blue color. Then, how come you recognize them? So, when you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. And also one thing you should remember is the link does not have to be text, but it can be an image or any other HTML elements. So, how do you create these links? The tag that defines the HTML hyperlinks is less than a greater than. So this a referred to the word anchor. So the overall syntax will be less than a space href is equal to URL greater than and some text less than slash a. So in this href you need to give the location where the HTML file is located, and if it is in your computer you need to specify the location, or if the web page is located on the internet you need to give the URL of the web page. So let's demonstrate with the examples. So we already have the web page first.html. Now let's create a new one with name second.html. And in this file, I'll create this anchor tag. Less than a href is equal to and greater than first web page and less than slash a greater than. So here we need to give the location, right? So go to the folder where the first.html is located and right click on the file, and there you can see the properties, and go to the properties section, and here you can see the location of the file. So I'll copy this and paste it in the href, and after the location you need to mention the file name, that is /first.html. So save this file and open the second.html file in the folder. So here we got the text in blue color, and if you click on this it is redirected to the first.html file. The thing you should note here is the first.html is opened in the same web page. And coming to the code, this href is the attribute of the anchor tag. So there is one more attribute called target. By default, the linked web page will be displayed in the same window. So to change this, you must have the attribute called target. If you specify target is equal to underscore self, which is default, so it opens the web page in the same window when it is clicked. And if you specify target is equal to underscore blank, it opens the web page in the new tab. And now link is not only used to navigate to other pages, but you can use that to send an email. So for that, in the href you need to give like this: mail to colon. So this is the keyword to send an email, and here you need to add the recipient's mail ID, that is abc@gmail.com, and the link text will be mail, and I'll close the anchor tag. So save this file and I'll open this in the browser, and as soon as I click on this it prompts me to open the mail, and from there you can send an email for your specified recipients. And now you can give a title for the anchor tag. So here in the anchor tag of the mail, I'll say title is equal to you can send mail. So I'll save this file and open in the browser, and if you hover on this text, there you can see some small text with the text given in the title. So this is used to give an information of the link. And that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.